Virginia is striking back immediately after the United States Supreme Court ruling, where a 6-3 decision, the right-wing Supreme Court justices saying that Texas can do the gerrymander to try to create more Republican seats in Texas. They want to create 5 Republican congressional seats there before the midterms. I do think that that may backfire on Texas, but you have Virginia responding right away. The Senate President pro tempore, Luis Lucas, she says, I've got something in store for Texas. Well, what does she have in store for Texas? She says, I will give a follow back to every person who I see tweet 10-1 tonight. By the way, back on November 2nd, 2025, she said 10-1. Remember when Republicans drew Virginia's congressional map so black people were packed into one district and said we should be grateful they gave our community this district? Now they can have one district and see how much they love it. Not mincing words there. And then we had the Virginia House Speaker of the House of Delegates there, Don Scott, last night, talking about how, it's possible you do a 10-1 map right there for the congressional delegation. The current delegation is 6 Democrats, 5 Republicans. We'll see. I mean, you look at Donald Trump and the MAGA approval in Virginia right now. The latest Morning Consult poll has Trump at negative 12% in Virginia, and that number just gets lower each one we give. And just so we can show you what the Supreme Court ruled and why I think there is this massive opening for Virginia to do a in-kind gerrymander, an offset, if you will, or perhaps an offset multiple, given that what MAGA wants to do, North Carolina and Indiana, kind of what we saw in Prop 50 in California, trying to offset what MAGA is doing. I want to bring in Speaker Don Scott, the Speaker of the Virginia House of Delegates, who we spoke to here before those November elections. You've expanded that majority in the House of Delegates since the last. You said it. You said it was going to happen. We're going to go there. But first, I got to ask you, Virginia striking back. What are you doing in the legislature right now regarding a response to this gerrymandering that we see in Texas that the Supreme Court says go for it?
Well, sooner or later, thank you for having me, but sooner or later you have to stand up to the bully on the block. And I think Virginia Democrats made it clear that we're not going to sit on the sidelines while Donald Trump and Republicans in Texas and North Carolina and Missouri and Indiana and now Florida launched this unprecedented mid-cycle redistricting scheme to try to override the will of the people and tilt the midterms in their favor. The policies are so bad that they know they have to do something. And we have no choice. I don't think, any Democrat wants to be in a position. We are against gerrymandering. We're hoping there's a federal ban on gerrymandering, but we have to level the playing field. We can't pretend that they're playing on fair or in a fair manner while we sit aside and yell at them. We have to do something and fight back. And where I came from, if a bully, punch you in the face, you can sit around and whine about it. You got up and you fought back. And I think that's what we have to do right now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about something important happening in the USA in the state of Virginia. This story is simple but very powerful. Something happening with Republican leaders, and then the Democrats in Virginia reacted very fast. People in the USA are talking about this story because it shows how quickly politics can change. In this video, we will explain everything. What happened in Virginia? A new message, plan or idea come from Republican side in Virginia. But many people did not like this message. It sounded too extreme, too negative or too aggressive. As soon as this message came out, the Democrats in Virginia reacted very quickly. They did not wait, they did not stay silent, they answered immediately. Their fast response surprised everyone. People said, "Wow, this is fast. This was fast. Wow, this was fast." The Democrats wanted to show that they are strong and active. Why Democrats reacted? Recently, voters in Virginia give Democrats control again. Now Democrats control the Virginia Senator and the Virginia House. This give them power to stop Republican plan. Democrats now voters want action. Voters do not want slow politics. They want leader who stand up quickly. So when Republic tired to push their message, Democrats want to show we are her. We are ready. We will protect Virginia. That is why they reacted fast. What Republicans were trying to do. The Republican plan included ideas that many people found extreme. Some part of the message looked like it's could limited people rights, change school rules after families create conflict, bring national political issue into Virginia. Many Virginians did not like these ideas. They want safer, more positive politics. No extreme one. Republican thought their message would get support, but it did the option. But people reacted negatively. How Democrats struck how Democrats strike back. As soon as the Republican message came, the Democrats responded with strong words. They say, no, we will not allow extreme ideas. We will protect Virginia. Democrats also said they will focus on better school, better health care, better job, protecting voting rights, keeping communities safe. Their message was clear, simple, and strong. People liked that how voters reacted. Many voters in Virginia said they were happy with the Democrats' quickly action. People said, think like, yes, this is why we vote for them. We want fast action. Social media was full of comments supporting the Democrats' response. People said the Republican message felt out of touch. But some Republican voters said Democrats should not react too fast. They said Republicans should be give a chance. Still more people online supported the Democrats. Why the story is important for the whole USA. Virginia is an important state in American politics. It often shows what might happen in other states soon. When something changes in Virginia, it can affect national politics. This is why people across the USA are watching the story closely. If Democrats continue to act fast and strong, other states may copy them. If Republicans cannot connect with voters in Virginia, they may change their strength in other state too. So this is not just a Virginia story, it is a USA story. How media talk about the USA media channel covered this story a lot. Some talk about the Democrats' strength, some talk about Republican mistakes, some talk about voters' reactions. Many channels say Democrats looked confirmed and organized, looked confident and organized. They said Republicans looked surprised and unaware. Media commentary said this movement showed the new politics energy in Virginia. What the means for future election. The movement will affect future election in Virginia. Voter will remember which party listening to them. They will remember which party to fast action. They will remember which party protect their rights. If Democrats keep working like this, they may win again in the next elections. It's Republican change their message. They may rebuild supporters. This fight is shaping the future. The lesson from the story is very simple. People want fast and clear leadership. Voters do not want slow answer. They do not want confusing message. They want strong leaders who speak quickly and clearly. Democrats did that here and it's changed everything. So, this is the full story of what happened in Virginia. Republicans try to push a strong message. Democrats answered immediately. Voters reacted. The media reacted, and now the whole USA is watching. Virginia is becoming one of the biggest political battlegrounds in America. What happened here today can affect the whole country tomorrow. Thank you for watching my video.